that are going to increase your chances of decrease your chances of not being successful. You have been asking yourself, why are you not no more poverty, Mr. Zonzo? We need to work, man. This thing of saying poverty needs to die, man. And people, they don't understand. They think poverty is here. I talk to people worldwide. England, Germany, Australia, everything. Trust me, the problems that you are having, financial problems, someone out there in Australia where things are happening, they are having those problems. So it's a matter of choice to say, do I want to be like this, or I want to live the life that I deserve? It's very painful seeing people of your age living the life they deserve while you are suffering, and you think suffering is normal. It's not normal. Being poor is not normal. So please don't come here and tell us being poor is not. Hey, it's normal to live the life, my friend. Having an account that's floating. You know, when they say an account is floating, it's no longer a secret. You become a shareholder at FNB. When you go there, you know you have money. Even those people who are there by the entry, they can tell that this master, he has got things on his account. Not when you even get in there, you are shaking because you are afraid that they'll check your balance, of which they don't care. Don't be afraid. You worked for that. So show us your balance. You cannot show it to us. So if now you are here telling me that you don't want to kill poverty, my friend, these are the things that you're going to experience. Disappointment. You're going to experience disappointment. And people are going to disrespect you. Even life will disrespect you on its own. Are you ready for that now? Are you ready now? You cannot tell me. I know what it means to be poor. So I'm talking from experience. Don't think I'm just idealizing, or maybe I'm trying to imagine. Hey, I know what it means to be poor, my friend. I know what it means to be poor. Having an account that is almost at the brim. You know when they say something is at the brim, there's nothing. Drafts, I know those things. So I'm talking from experience. So I'm here telling you now, look at yourself now. Let's pretend that there was no corona. What would you be doing now? Sleeping. Your friends, maybe they will be enjoying their money. You'll be busy saying, they will finish. No, they won't finish. They worked for it. Work as well. You know when someone is not doing well, they always found answers to say bad things about this one, about that one. You must know. Once a person has got negativity towards something, you must know that poverty is working. You must know that this one and poverty, they are having good reunion. You see, so it's time. We need to kill poverty. Making money makes sense. Anyway, trust in me. Look at where you come from. Look at where you come from. No, look. Just let's not make it up. Look at where you come from. Are you happy? Can you take a picture? Can you do a live video at your house at home? The answer is no. But who is going to change that? It's you who's going to change that. So, but if now you're not ready to change that, I don't know what you're aiming for. Me, I aim for success. I work this hard to live this final life. You see, I want to be rich. You know what I'm saying? I haven't reached my point, but I'm making money. I'm comfortable financially. To be honest with you, I'm comfortable financially. I've made so much money that some people, they will never even make such money. You see, but I'm not comfortable. If I was someone who's like, oh no, I don't want to stuff like that, I have money. There's more money. People are making money wherever you are. So if now you are comfortable by making that 30,000, some of us, we make it in less than 3 hours. We have made that amount that you work for 30 days. Someone makes it in a minute. Someone make it in a second. So if you're gonna be comfortable of being poor, I don't know which planet should we switch you to, because you are not in the right planet. In this era of the nation, I mean, poverty. Wherever there's poverty, there's always problems. I've never had in the history of humankind that a bank was robbed with people driving a Rolls Royce. It's always those best situations. They came in, they were driving a Tess, they were driving a Gushesh. You know, that's how it is. Problem always has got those, wherever there's poverty, there's sickness, there's crime, there's all that. You see, so if now you are in this earth and you still think being poor is a normal way to live, you are in the wrong place. I don't know where you're going. You don't have direction. Even when you tell yourself that, no, I'm doing well, you're not doing well because your direction is not right. You are leading yourself to a direction where you're going to have financial problems, serious financial problems, and you're gonna switch it to your next generation. You know, and you're in the generation from where you come from as well. It is having financial problems. So you see, you're increasing the link. You are increasing the link. You see, so that's why we're telling you, let's download every day. It's not that we are crazy. We are not crazy. We know what we're talking about. You see, don't talk, like I said to you. Once you start talking bad about something, there's a problem. Talk to me. I need to fix it. Here we are not talking about bad things. Here we are fixing. You understand what I'm saying? We're not talking about bad things. Whoever did what, whoever. No, you are here. You're talking to the man with answers, not the man with problems. So when you talk to me, we don't talk about this one and this one and that one. We're talking about answers here. So here I'm with you to solve situation. I'm not here to entertain problems. You get me? Are you following? Are you with me? So here we are entertaining answers, not problems. Because I understand, I just told you, poor masses, what do? They entertain problems. And they always have what? Excuses. You see, so that's what it is. So you are no longer that person. Now I'm sanitizing you mentally before you start making money, of which now I believe you're going to make money. Because you are talking to a man who's going to put you on the system where things works. You see, so let me sanitize you financial. I know someone is saying no because they refuse. You know, even back in the days, during Jesus' time, there were people who were saying, no, Jesus doesn't exist. While they live with him, they said, no, Jesus doesn't exist. While they live with him. So I don't blame you. You will refuse and say, me, I'm fine. I just want to become a history of poverty. Don't worry. We'll use you as a sample. But you are an extinction. You are an extinction type. You know when they say something is extinct, it means you're gonna be the last one. We're gonna use you as a what? As a reference to say, when you don't behave, when you don't have direction, you look like this one. When you're not doing well, you look like this one. So it will be you. It's a matter of choice now. Which one do you want? Guys, so from now on, no more excuses. Now you look at the problem because you are the one who's causing problems to yourself. Why am I not successful? Why am I always talking bad about other people? Why am I not having financial problems? Why am I not doing what they're doing? Ask yourself those questions. And I tell you, you are the one who has got answers. You are refusing. We're telling you, come, let's do it. You say, no. You always come up with excuses. You always come up with excuses. Rich people, they don't have excuses. We always want to bring in. We want to make more. Poor people, they're always running up and down. You know the time I was poor, I liked things a lot. I would be going to this shop, I'll be doing that, I'll be doing that. Now I respect money because I know money. There's no point to prove. I'm making money. You get my point? I don't have a point to prove at the moment. I'm making money. I just want to make more money. My point now is to prove myself that I can make this much. That's my point now. But when you are poor, you want to prove to your peers that, okay, I can buy this, I can do that, I can do that. That's expenses. Rich people want to make more. They want to build wealth. You see, but poor masses, what do they want to do? They always want to spend the less that they don't have. They live where they cannot belong. You see, so that's why when you find someone is in a bad relationship, but they will live there. But this man is mooring you. Why are you not going? He said, you see, excuses. Someone is telling you, I cannot afford 7.5. But can you afford poverty now? Answer me and say yes. I'll help you. No more excuses. Yeah, that's the main important part of today. No more excuses. There are so many ways of making money, but others are making it. But why, when are you not making money today? How long have you been seeing us talking, preaching the same word, preaching the same sermon every day? Trust me, praying is not going to work for you, but making money is going to work for you. They've tried. Here is Corona. People have said, no, what, and everything. Praying. Actions are going to take over. Actions are the ones which are going to help you. You need actions. You see, so what you need, this year I just want you to, I want to help you I want you to solve your problems by making money. Because you don't have, you are disciplined. You know, you are well groomed, but the problem, you are not focusing on what your life needs. You are not focusing on things that makes money. You see, you're focusing on fun. That's why you're having financial problems. The question is, John, I am there, but I cannot talk to you. Help me. What must I do? This is what you need to do. Now, we have got direction for you. We have got direction for you. Right? So, it's a matter of you. Are you ready to download now? The answer is yes. But how? Do you have a laptop now? I have a laptop, but I always watch series. So you're telling me you bought the laptop to watch series. Is this how poverty is treating you in 2020? During Corona sessions, at the deepest end of Corona, when you are watching a series, what are you celebrating? What are you celebrating? Tell me, what are you celebrating? I mean, this is the time for us to make money when you're watching a series. What are you celebrating? What is this celebration about? Celebrating that poverty is about to finish you? Celebrating that you have got financial problems? Is that what you're celebrating? Look at me. I can see you now wherever you are. You are not happy. You are not happy. When? Look at yourself. Are you happy now? The answer is no. The answer is no. John, help me. I need financial deliverance. I need to be sanitized. But I wanted that time. I wanted to hear this news. John, I've been waiting. Listen, this is you right now. I'm implementing what you're saying to yourself now. John, I've been waiting for this kind of talk. Please, baptize me. Sanitize me financially. So let me sanitize you. The choice is yours now. I know there's few. You know, we always have that culture that always refuse for change. They like hostile environment. They just want to be an example to say, this is how poverty looks like in a human being. This is how poverty looks like during Corona. Blowing accounts, that's how they live. Blowing accounts, you know, that's how they live. You know, so that's how it is. Let's see. Okay, I see. Don't worry. Everyone who's here, you are motivated. Like I said, don't worry. We always have that small circle that's negative. So when he's here, don't worry about him. He'll be fine. But what matters, the majority. The fact that I've sanitized the majority, that's what makes sense. So even when we have got that small percentage, it's fine. Let it be there. We're going to use them as an example. We're going to use that small circle as an example. So we don't block them. We don't say anything bad. We let